Just what you've been waiting for. Let's break this down. All right, so small mystery box. I was fired up to show you guys this. This is what you're going to get in the small mystery box. Dude, all the colors. All the colors. 10 striper gels. Dude, and the neons are unbelievable. For those of you guys that were dying to work with some neon gel paints, we finally got them. This is epic. So, on top, these are sold separately, but this is the small mystery box. They are, again, 10 paints. And just to show you like how incredible these are, let me just look at this green. Dude, look at that. Dude, that is crazy. That is an insane level of pigmentation, insane coloration. Fired up about that. These are going to be epic. You guys are going to absolutely love those. So again, the small mystery box is a collection of 10 of those. The medium size mystery box, dude, is crazy. So for those of you who saw the clay creams, this mystery box is going to be insane. So we are including the palette, right? So you get the 2 palettes. You are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 new cream clays. You cannot buy these individually. These are all brand new colors. You can only get them in the mystery box, and inside the medium box as well is going to be this absolutely crazy spatula and brush, right? Gel brush. So for those of you that haven't seen this metallic color, dude, I just want to show you this because the consistency is unlike anything. Let me get my brush. Where did my gel brush go? Well, I'm showing you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and break out. I'll show you guys this brush that you guys are going to get. So we wanted to include this, but the level of intensity, I'm just gonna break out a tip to show you. Yeah, and super fired up because these clay creams, check this out. Like the consistency, dude, is, but look at that, watch this. Dude, that, I mean, this is nuts. That level of pigmentation in one coat is outstanding. Right, so that's the metallics. Can you imagine what the glitters are like? Let me show you guys this, right? So again, you can only get this in the medium one. Let's go ahead and break out one of the glitters. Oh, dude, look at that. Right, so check this out. This color, again, light clay, but look at, oh my God, dude. These, when you guys get a hold of these and apply these, like that level of intensity is next level. It's so exciting. So have these coming as well. Again, there is a total of 5 metallics and 5 glitters. We've included
6.
Yeah, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 6 of each, dude. And the brush. And also the working tiles, the ring tile, and the palette, right? So you get that, right, in the medium, right? So, again, for those of you that are investing in young nails, let's just say that you ended up getting the small and medium, which is absolutely amazing because you're gonna end up getting all of this. All right, and now for the large, this is the Mac Daddy. This is like, when it comes to your working supplies, you need some serious equipment. For $100, dude, you're getting $500 worth of product. You're getting 500 roll of nail forms. You're getting 6 Synergy gels, Clear Sculptor, Build, Base, Build Pink, Flex, and Concealer Pink. You are getting Protein Bond. You are getting, which is the Young Nails Striper Brush. You're getting the Micro Detailer, and you're getting the Finesse Pro Sculptor. This gel brush is one of the most high performance gel brushes you can buy. You're getting a 32-ounce swipe. You are getting 4 Go Time gel polish colors. You're getting the ultimate finish. You are getting 4 Slick Pour colors. So I'm gonna show you something crazy. You're getting Cover Bear. You're getting Cover Blush. You're getting Cover Flamingo, which is, this color is a brand new color. Look at that. It's a shimmer core white. I don't know if you guys can actually see the shimmer inside. This color is redonkulous. So this is a brand new color that we've introduced. You can only get it in the large mystery box. This is gonna be spectacular. Again, core white sparkle, a dozen hand files, 2 6-ounce nail liquids, a pack of empty mixing jars, and 3 liquid arts to make the monomer color, and a rose oil. Boom. All right, so, I mean, you guys, if you end up getting all of this for $180, dude, you're stacked. Stacked. Nobody's gonna give you guys this amount of product. And again, that's why Black Friday is so massive. As you guys can see, this is the first time we've introduced so much newness inside the collection. You have the stripers, these right here. Like, as bad as I wanted to sell those individually, we wanted to make sure that we put them in the mystery boxes so you have an opportunity to get that. That medium-sized mystery box is epic. You guys, when you start working with these cream clays, you're gonna flip out. I mean, look at this color right here, right? This is not a mucho. Dude, this is, look at that gunmetal color. It's so dope. It's unbelievable. Yeah, and again, that's the beauty of it, is that you saw the way they apply, and then this right here. So for those of you guys that are just trying to get into the line, you need some working supplies, the 6-ounce liquids, all of the files, the hard gels, the powders, the swipe, the colorant, liquid art. This is gonna get you guys going big time. It's gonna be absolutely epic. Fired up for all of you guys that are actually going to be getting yourself or treating yourself for Black Friday. Again, for those of you guys that are getting into the line, take advantage of the deals. There's an electric file bundle, as well as you get the dust extractor and the electric file, I think for like $340 something. Dude, you gotta go to www.youngnails.com, take advantage, look at all the Black Friday deals. This right here is literally like $750 worth of product for $180. It's the only time of year where we go all out, giving you guys everything you need, equipping you guys with state-of-the-art equipment, next level technology. You guys are gonna be pumped. From the bottom of my heart to your families, I hope you guys have a safe Thanksgiving. Again, thank you for all your support, and we'll see you soon.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Subscribe